Are you new to CapCut and confused about your own screen? Don't worry, let me show you everything you need to know before you start editing. Welcome to Tasly Dgoteam Digital Academy. In this CapCut training series, we are going from the basics to the professional editing, step by step. So if you are a complete beginner, you are in the right place. This is CapCut Home Screen. Think of it as your starting point. From here, you can start a new project, access your previous project, explore templates, and access other CapCut features. The first section I want you to understand is the new project. This is where you begin when you want to create a video using your own photo, videos, or other media. Once you tap the new project, CapCut take you to your media selection area. Here you can choose your photo, your video, your logo, and other media that you want to use in your project. We will come back to this section when we start creating our first actual project. But for now, let's return to the home screen and look at where our previous projects are stored. Next, we have your previous projects. This is where your CapCut keeps the projects you have already started, allowing you to come back and continue editing without starting again from scratch. So whenever you need to continue a project, this is where you can find it without starting afresh from the beginning. The next section we need to talk about now is the templates. When you click on templates, it takes you to the template section. And you should know that templates are pre-designed video formats that combine effects, transition, timing, and other editing elements. They can help you create content faster without building every element from scratch. As you can see, there are various templates here. You can see product template. When you click on it, you can use it to create your video. Let's go. So that is template for you. So there are so many templates that you can pick or use in this CapCut application. So you have the Pro template, you have the daily template, you have the style template. You can just choose any one you want. We have come to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we took a professional look at the CapCut home screen and explored the different sections, including the template section, the new projects, the previous projects. Now, you have a better understanding of where to start when you open CapCut and how to navigate the home screen. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure you watch the next lesson because we'll be moving into the CapCut editing interface and learning how the editing workspace works. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and stay connected so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, practicing, and keep creating.